Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and I'm going to be playing ROBLOX. Rest in peace, meme, Nikoi, whatever. But the first actual version of this game got banned, so there's another game called ROCANIX or ROCANIX, whichever it's called. But yeah, I might play this in the next video, but just play this version for now. Let's see. Oh, let's go. So I'm gonna show you around first. There's the virus block with the viruses. This one, all these, whatever. There's healing viruses, and then a random virus generator, which gives you random viruses. This is a research lab. You can get coffee, and then there's milk. And then you got your locker over here. I don't have anything in there. Then there's a virus separator, which is like if you inject multiple viruses into a subject, it'll be, you can separate them right there. Then there's a public virus storage, the virus duplicator, which I can see there are viruses. I'm gonna take one. There's a blood extractor for when you like collect the blood with this thing. And then the needle gun, which is what you inject how you inject the viruses into them. Then there's the subjects over here, the experiments. I'm gonna start testing on this human. Bam. And then you can wait and watch. Oh, he's on fire. He's dying. And we can put a new human. Let's see. Let's get a random virus this time. And maybe I'm gonna try putting it. Boop. What's this one gonna do? His name is Jake. Oh, he's getting like hairy warts or whatever. Oh. Yes, I see, you scientists. Testing virus on poor people. You will burn in HE. Oh my gosh. HE double hockey stick. He's a giant. I'm going to collect his blood. Come on. Come on. There's warts still inside his arm. Come on. Did I get his blood? I can't see. My mouse. I'm lagging. Oh. There you go. Got it. Please don't die. I need to go separate the virus from the blood before he dies. Because if I don't do it fast enough, then it won't work. Blood extractor. Bam. Checking blood. Separating the virus from the blood. Starting process. Let's see. No. Still some viruses in there. Ejecting virus. There you go. I need it. Bam. Heal subject 3. I can't do that because I got... Wait, That's the point of my locker. There you go. Time to go get a healing virus. Is Subject 3 still alive? Yes, he is. 35 health. Yeah, he needs to heal. Calm down. I'm going to heal you. There you go, I healed him. Or he should be healing any second now. Let's see what happens. This is crazy. This is crazy. And now you can probably see why this game got banned. This is like another... It's the same thing, is it? That guy's face. I want to see his face. What happened to his face? I want to see his face. He keeps... Stop moving. Oh, he has a mustache. Okay. That makes sense now. It looked kind of weird at first. Ah! Lag. Lag, 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 lag. Okay. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah! Get my virus from my locker. The K201. Let's inject a random subject with it. Turn. There you go, got him. Hopefully he doesn't get angry at me. Ah. Okay. Oh, I got his face, like his cheek. Let's see what happens. I know how to turn someone pink. Or one of the subjects pink. Let's go that way. Like that pink, whatever. Red. There you go. Got his head. Now he's gonna start turning a reddish color. And start vomiting more of that purple stuff. Rope him. Unrope him. Ah. This subject is still here. This subject is still here. Oh, that subject is turning pink. I knew it. I just died. That evil, that evil subject. How dare you? He's evil now. Jamal. He's not pink anymore. I'm gonna like recycle this human because he's... What's happening over here? You're killing him. Oh no. I died. Ah. My next video will be, of course, on, you know, yeah, blah, blah, blah. My next video will be on mechanics, of course. That's what I was trying to say earlier. Camellia. Then I'm gonna inject all the viruses into him. Well, all the viruses right here. Grab some organella. Dude, get out of my way. There you go. Okay, let's give him organella. Ooh, he's turning pink. I gotta hurry up and grab the other one. The necromella. And then maybe the healing virus if he has too low health. 79, he should be fine. Didn't mean to rhyme. Oh no, he's starting to do damage to me. Now let's grab some Arganella. I think we should rope him. There you go, got him with the Arganella. And time to get the healing virus. Let's see, got it yet? I have the healing virus. We need to heal him. There you go. I'm gonna grab one more like healing virus. Someone said they created Thanos. He's orange right now. I'm gonna go see if they... Oh, yep, they've created Thanos. Thanos. Yep, he is overpowered. I touch him with my toes and then I die. I'm just gonna be this guy. I look beautiful. Grab a random virus for him. I heard a bang. Not in the game, but like, I think it was my sister. Oh no, my brother. He is here. Yes, I got the noodle head thingy. Now he's not Thanos. He looks like ravioli. 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 Or not ravioli, spaghetti. Spaghetti head. Oh, you did not need to see this. You did not need to see that. And he's turning giant. No, he recycled him. No, he recycled him. Oh no. I forgot to turn on the mic. No. Or not turn on the mic, but like flip it. He recycled my human. I'm lagging. Why would he? Why would he recycle my human? My mouse is not working. My mouse is not working. I need to change the batteries in it. It's a wireless mouse. That's fancy. Oh. Okay. I'm just gonna do this. Come on. I can do it. Come on. I need my mouse to work. I can do this. Yes, I've mastered it. I've used the keys. New human. There you go. I gave you a green. My mouse is dying. I need to change it as soon as possible. After this one, the video will end. Most likely. Because my mouse is dead and I need to recharge the batteries. Oh no. He turned tiny! He's Tiny Tim! It's Tiny Tim! Wait, no. Tiny Dog. Tiny Dog. Tiny Dog. Oh, the mouse is fixed. Tiny Dog. It's Tiny Dog. Oh, he's talking and he has giant eyeballs. Oh, he's going to kill me. My mouse is dead and I can't. Oh. Oh, he's turning red with anger. Ah, my mouse is dying, so I can't stop the recording.